Hello everyone, my name is Nancy Hernandez, and for this assignment I decided to use the vocabulary guide review strategy to help students remember their vocabulary. In this case, I created a science hard vocabulary lessons, and here are my references. I decided to use a website or application called nearpod.com. You just go to nearpod.com and it's gonna ask you to sign in or sign up. In this case, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in. It's gonna ask me for my email and my password, and I'm gonna log in, and you're gonna be directly to this. You can create your own lessons or explore with their lessons. I'm just gonna create my own. You're gonna add a slides. It's gonna give you three options: add content, add web content, or add an activity. For content, we have different options: slides, BBC, video, virtual field trip. You have video again, slices, audio, PDF viewer, and even a live Twitter stream. For add a web, you just copy and paste your link. That's pretty self-explanatory. For add an activity, I thought that this was pretty cool. They have matching pairs, quizzes, draw, collaboration, graphs, fill in the blank, drawing, memory quiz. And for example, for a quiz, you just click on it and you can type your questions right here. I'm gonna put what is your name, and I'm gonna give them two options right here, and then after that you're gonna choose the one that is correct. You can add more answers or add more questions, and you're gonna save it, and you can preview your presentation right here, or you can save it and exit, and then you're gonna be able to see it right here on your library. Now kids can take this home and actually do it at home, because you're gonna click on student paste and it's gonna give you a code right here. You're gonna provide your students with this code. I'm just gonna copy and paste it, and then they're gonna go to nearpod.com and enter that code right there, and they're gonna click go. It's gonna ask them for their name, and I'm already there and join lesson, and the lesson is right here. Now I put them a video. This is one of the pros of this website, that you can get the students really engaged and actually motivational. Another pro is that they are using technology. Technology is fun. They can take it home. Two challenges that I found is that they might not have internet at home, and that not all kids learn this way. They might need you to explain them, because we have different learners. Now I also provide them with a matching cards. If it's wrong, it's gonna tell them it's wrong. Now if it's right, then it's gonna tell them, it's gonna first turn blue, and then it's gonna turn first green, and then it's gonna turn blue. That means they got it right. Same thing with the fill in the blank. They're gonna done. They can check it and redo it. It's just practice before the quiz, where I'm gonna access the students' process to see if they actually got the vocabulary. I gave them a space to just draw a hard, so they can have fun and relax. Now the quiz, they're gonna click let's go, answer the quiz, submit every time they answer a question, and after that they're gonna submit their quiz and see their answers. Now for our teachers, we can easily just go to our reports and click on the lesson that we want to see the reports of, and you can see how each student individually did. So for example, this one didn't got none of them right, or a lot of them maybe they did. So that's how you view them. And that's all I have to say about my video. I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you.